education. Despite challenges brought by all kinds of resources, we stood tall and strong, driven by our shared goal to make education accessible, inclusive, and excellent. Among our key achievements, for academic excellence, our learners have shown improvement in performance across all grade levels.
Today is a significant day to honor the hard work of both students and teachers. I firmly believe that the journey to reach this point has been filled with trials and triumphs. We encountered challenges that pushed us beyond our limits, testing our determination and capabilities, not just as students or teachers, but as human beings as well.
It is with great pride and honor that I present to you the 267 candidates for completion for the school year 2024-2025, of whom 128 are males and 139 are females, who have satisfactorily completed the academic requirements of the secondary K-12 basic education curriculum set forth by the Department of Education and our institution. We have persevered, thrived, and embodied the values we uphold. Ma'am, they are now ready for your confirmation and approval.
By virtue of the authority vested upon me by the Department of Education Secretary Sani Angara, through the Office of the Schools Division Superintendent Dr. Nago A. Manuel Jr., CISO 5, and upon the presentation from the school head Meritus D. Rodriguez, Principal, I hereby confirm you as completers of Tudela National Comprehensive High School, Municipality of Tudela, Province of Misamis Occidental, of school year 2024-2025. And as such, you are entitled to all the rights and privilege pertaining thereto. Congratulations.
He is living proof that with passion, perseverance, and purpose, you can turn your dreams into reality. And what makes this even more special is that he started right here, just like you. Please join me in giving a warm and heartfelt welcome to our guest speaker, a proud graduate of this very school, Mr. Clifford R. Pornia.
In this year, the theme is Generation of Unity, Partners of the New Philippines. Generation of Unity, partner daw ng bagong Pilipinas. So how do we know? Paano nga natin nasabing how can we say that a generation is united? And how can you say, how can a student be a partner of the new Philippines? So those are the things that I want to talk about this time.
Nakakampong nga dili sukdanan ang kadaton sa kalipay, kundili ang presensya nga modawat kanino bisan pa sa imong kapulian. Kini ang atong mga ginikanan. Busa karon, dako ang akong pasalamat. Apil kamo aning akong kalampusan, kay kamo ang suga sa akong inagian.
I sincerely promise to remember always that there is no substitute for hard work and performance, and that helping our fellow men will ultimately redound to a good example to the youth and citizens of my land. to uphold the ideals of my alma mater, the Tudela National Comprehensive High School, and to do my best in the battle against ignorance. In the name of God, my country, and my countrymen, so help me God.